Hi conservation crew! Woo! We're back for a long time coming Nature Diaries. Been a bit busy, to be honest. Been like living my life a little bit too vigorously recently, working and stuff. So me and Stu only really have one day off a week together now. So we've come out for a wet stroll in Stover Park. So this is one I've been wanting to film for a while, but we just haven't had a chance. So come along for a nice little stroll around a beautiful lake with us. Great weather for ducks. So I genuinely can't remember the last time I did a Nature Diaries. Was it in Wiltshire? No, it was when I went up to see Steph in Guildford. So it's been a while, it's been a few weeks, but I have been super busy. And like, I'm not gonna lie, it's really horrible weather. It's wet and soggy and cold, but it's just nice to get out sometimes, isn't it? And we've got our waterproofs on. Just bought myself a new pair of wellies. So we're just going to have this nice little walk. Stover's really lovely. I've been coming here for years, and it's just like a nice lake with little rivers and stuff. Lots of like woodland greenery, lots of squirrels and ducks and other waterfowl species, which are really pretty to look at. We saw a kingfisher last time we were here, so we're hoping maybe we might see him. And lots of little songbirds like blue tits and goldfinches, all that kind of thing. So I mean, it is nicer on a dry day, but what can you do? It's autumn. When I was in Guildford with Steph, we went on this really lovely woodland walk, so check that out. I'll put it in the cards up above. And I said that there were loads of conkers there, but Stu quickly corrected me when I got home and he watched my video and he was like, no, they're sweet chestnuts. So I apologise for getting that wrong. I'm not perfect, but yeah, sweet chestnuts. So on our walk we have seen sweet chestnuts and acorns, which are like real true signs of autumn. It's almost like the last food of the year really for like, I don't know, foragers, cachers, squirrels, that kind of thing, to get their hoards in ready for winter, because there's not really much food around for winter. There's loads of, what birds are they up there? Loads of birds flying over the lake. I can't quite work out what they are, but we'll see if we can find out. I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes, 'cause it's wet, wet, wet.
You okay there, Laura?
Yes.
Your wellies working?
They're not even cold. Like, these are good wellies. So in one of my previous videos when we're in Wiltshire, I think we're at Langford Lakes or Font Hill, somewhere like that, and we were talking about invasive species, and we were talking about how, well, I was saying how I've seen a terrapin in an English lake. Well, that's where I saw it. So I saw the terrapin here at Stover. So someone's obviously couldn't look after it anymore and set it free, just set it off into the wild in the UK. But remember that these do not belong in the UK. If you've got a terrapin and you can't look after it, you need to take it to a rescue centre because they're not supposed to go in our lakes. I think it might be a little bit too wet today. Oh no, I take it back. I thought it was going to be too wet to see the songbirds, but they're all here. Just seen a nuthatch, lots of blue tits and great tits, some bullfinches. See if I can get some footage of them for you. So we have ascertained that the birds flying above the lake are swallows. Apparently crossbills come here in the winter. I've never seen one. Have you seen one? Comment below. Stu just told me an interesting fact that he won't say to the camera, so I've got to. So apparently there is a species of crossbill called the Scottish crossbill, and it is the only endemic species of bird to the UK. No, that's not right.
The UK's only endemic species.
It's the UK's only endemic species. So we're back in the car now. It's been a thoroughly wet and soggy walk, but it was nice to get out, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Blew away the cobwebs and it feels really autumnal. It'd just be nice if it was dry, but always wear your waterproofs. So we hope that you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one. But don't forget to subscribe, like and comment because we love to hear from you. So see you in the next video.